How to delete HungryPanda account. If you want to delete your HungryPanda account, open the HungryPanda app and then you have to make sure to log into your account by tapping on the account icon from the bottom right and then making sure that you are logged in. Now over there you want to simply navigate to a My Profile section. So you'll normally find them when you're here, or you can tap the settings icon or anywhere else to come to the My Profile section. Once done, just find the delete account or unsubscribe button from the service and you may be prompted to confirm your email or provide your reason, and once done you will be able to delete your HungryPanda account as well as also cancel your membership. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.